To set favorite song as a ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you have to make sure that you have downloaded your music into your files. So in my case, it is actually available in the audio files. By the way, if you don't know how to download sounds, you can do this in the multiple ways. I'm going to show you, in my opinion, the fastest one. You have to go into the Google Play Store and you have to download the Zedge applications. It's free, you don't have to pay for it, but sometimes you will get some pop-up ads. You have to watch them and then they will turn off. Now we have to go for the ringtones, find the ringtone that you are looking for. On the top you can find a search bar. And now if you have that song, for example, you were looking for The Sister Is Calling, you have to click on this and now click to save to the media folder. So now as you can see, we have to go for files and we have to search for that audio folder. It's here. Now I want to move all of those ringtones into the folder that will allow us to actually change a ringtone. So we have to move this. And now what we are looking for, we have to go for the music folder. You have to go for the internal storage and find music folder. Now go for the Samsung and here move all of your sounds over here. Now take a look. If we open the sound settings, the sounds and vibration, go for the ringtone and now click on the plus, we can actually find all of our sounds. Or we can also go to the folder, open it, and here it is. Now, for example, this one or this one, click done, and as you can see now, your favorite music is selected. You can do the same for a second SIM card if you are using 2 SIM cards or 2 eSIMs. And by the way, below we can change its volume level. So, thanks for watching, please hit the like button.